intelligence officers are working to confirm whether microwave radiation is being used as a weapon to affect the health of American officials in what has become known as Havana Syndrome.
Brain injuries were most likely caused by pulsed microwave
Hearing from
energy.
a CIA agent who was attacked, not with a gun, but with a mysterious invisible weapon.
My understanding is DNA cannot repair itself.
It can, but the kind of DNA damages that has been shown using microwave exposure is such that it could evolve into brain tumors.